today we're going to make this sticker. For one of my students, she asked me for a sticker for her journal. So I am going to use Cricut Design Space to make an offset sticker. Okay, I'm going to use Tekra Craft Rainbow Stripes vinyl, and I am going to use this yellow one that they sent me recently to make the design. So stay tuned. Okay, I am going to use Cricut Design Space to make this design, and I am going to, first of all, we have to add a text, then we are going to select the font we want, and then we are going to add, or we are going to select offset. That is going to make a background on your text, and you can change that background color, and also you can change the text color. The setting I'm using is holographic vinyl. That's the setting TechCraft recommends to cut this specific vinyl. It's easy to weed. It's not as difficult to weed as other vinyls I have used before. I am almost done here. I just wanted to make something simple yet meaningful for my student. I know she wanted something for her journal, so that's why I did it. This is the end result. I hope you liked it. And remember, you can subscribe to this channel. This was Arlene from This Is Our House. I hope you have a great day.